Let's unbox RAZER SEIREN Mini. If you don't want to see the full video, I give shorts and reels links in description and first comment. Go and check it out. It takes a lot of time with scissors. This is an invoice of my purchase. I bought RAZER SEIREN Mini in Sri Lanka and it cost 23,838. It's a hanger. It used for showcase in shops and other buying stores. It has a sticker on bottom. Let's remove and unbox it. Finally, we are going to open the box. First of all, it has a greeting card and a manual bind together. This one is a micro USB cable with a type A in. This is it. It used to connect with computer, and micro USB side is connecting mic. This is an attachment which connect mic and stand. This is a stand. It's a little heavy. It's heavier than the mic, so you get a great support. This is the last part mic and nothing in the box. This is manual with greeting cards. Usually we don't look at it. If you want, you can read the manual. Because this mic is a plug and play mechanism, there's nothing to worry about. This is the micro USB cable. It has advantages and disadvantages. Advantages, it fit well with mic. Disadvantages, if you broke it or lose it, you can't find a suitable one very easily, because it's made for perfect fit with mic. You can see in a minute. If you use other micro USB cable, it ruins the look. Mic looks like a capsule. It's made of plastic, not aluminium, but it looks like aluminium. It has threads in bottom. It will fit with the adapter, and the adapter also fit with the stand. I told you now the advantage of micro USB cable. You can see in seconds. It fits perfectly with mic, and it looks great on it. Just like that, it fits perfectly. Now you are hearing from RAZER SEIREN Mini. What do you think about the sound quality? Please let me know in comments. And I made a huge mistake because I didn't open the manual. Nothing serious, it has a sticker with it. This is a sticker.